Tony, thank you. New at 5, 1 week after receiving a violation from the Rhode Island Department of Health, Landmark Medical Center in Woonsocket has placed almost 24 employees on paid and unpaid leave who were not vaccinated by the state's October 1st deadline for healthcare workers and providers. 12 News reporter Alexandra Leslie obtained the compliance order. Alex, it states the 21 Woonsocket employees in question cited religious exemptions.
Yes, and that compliance order, Mike, says of those 21 employees, 17 were scheduled to work on November 1st when the DOH made an unannounced inspection. I learned tonight the jobs of those workers were wide-ranging. At least 6 registered nurses at Landmark Medical Center have not been found compliant with the state's vaccine mandate for healthcare workers. 12 News obtained the compliance order from the Rhode Island Department of Health, which shows the health department conducted a surprise inspection of Landmark Medical Center on November 1st. Based on Landmark's records and the health department's interviews of staff that day, the state found 21 healthcare workers were not vaccinated and were not medically exempt under the state's vaccine regulations. Of those 21 workers, 17 were scheduled to work that day, with jobs ranging from registered nurses to public safety officers, environmental services, and some had office positions while others were in radiology or ultrasound. Details from the compliance order also show Landmark acknowledged the 21 healthcare workers were unvaccinated and not medically exempt, but the medical center decided to accommodate the workers based on their religious grounds. The health department's vaccine regulations only permit medical exemptions. Governor Dan McKee says he was informed about the violation, which the DOH issued on November 3rd.
We're going to follow up with Landmark and just see what types of difficulties they may be having.
And a spokesperson for Landmark tells me some of the employees placed on leave have since gotten vaccinated, and unless the rest of them do get the vaccine, that they won't be able to return. The Department of Health says the hospital would have to request a hearing by the 13th, but has not done so yet. Live in studio, Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.
At least 2 healthcare facilities are non-compliant with the state's vaccine mandate for healthcare workers. We've learned at least 17 are under investigation for compliance as well. Now, those facilities range from home care providers to hospice providers. 12 News reporter Alexandra Leslie has been looking through the health department's data, and those details are new at 6. Alex?
Well, Mike, according to a Department of Health spokesperson, the health department is following up with those 17 facilities because immunization data wasn't filed with the department on deadline. At this point, the only 2 facilities that are listed as non-compliant are both hospitals. Data from the Rhode Island Department of Health shows both Landmark Medical Center and the state-run Eleanor Slater Hospital are still non-compliant with the state's vaccine regulations for healthcare workers. However, Landmark Medical Center says as of Monday, 21 workers were placed on administrative leave. Spokesperson Carolyn Kyle told 12 News the employees had, quote, religious accommodations, and by placing them on leave, the hospital was brought into full compliance with the state mandate. Kyle added, quote, currently there are numerous cases already filed and working their way through the federal courts that will ultimately address the issue of whether religious accommodations to COVID-19 vaccine mandates are required. However, Kyle told 12 News some of the employees put on leave have since received the shot. The remaining workers have 2 weeks to do so before they have to use their own paid time off. Kyle says unless they get the vaccine, Landmark won't be able to bring them back. According to a November 3rd notice of violation and compliance order issued to Landmark by the Department of Health, the hospital has 10 days to file for a hearing with the department. Kyle said she could not speak to if Landmark would request a hearing, but the DOH said the hospital had not done so yet. And meantime, a spokesperson for the Department of Behavioral Health Care, Developmental Disabilities, and Hospitals, which oversees Eleanor Slater, tells me the department did request a hearing with the DOH, but the health department says a date for that has not yet been set. Live in studio, Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.